Welcome to part 3 of our Handmade Business Series. I am Bella and I am here to show you how to turn your creativity into profits. And today we are talking about something super fun, easy to start and honestly kinda underrated. Tote bags. I mean, who doesn't love a good tote bag? They are trendy, eco-friendly and so customizable. And the best part, people are making serious money selling these. So if you have been looking for a creative way to start a business from home, grab a cup of chai, coffee or whatever you love because this one's for you. We're going to design 3 different tote bags today. A hand printed tote because painting on fabric is literally so satisfying. An embroidered tote, simply but so classy. A pressed quote tote because aesthetic quotes are everywhere right now. And of course, I'll break down how to actually make money from this, from branding to selling strategies. And oh, a fun little beginner friendly Shopify tutorial is coming too. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So before we start, let's talk about why tote bags are such a good business idea. Just go on Etsy, Pinterest or even Instagram. You'll see thousands of small brands selling tote bags with cute designs, aesthetic embroidery or trendy one-liners. And they're selling for $15 to $50 per bag. Like what? And the reason? People love reusable bags. 2. Tote bags are a fashion statement now. And 3. They are so easy to customize. Plus, the profit margins is crazy good because blank totes are super affordable and you can sell them at a premium if you add the right design and branding. Alright, let's get into the fun part, making our tote bags. Okay, so first up is this super artsy hand printed tote. It's so beginner friendly, no machines, no fancy stuff, just pure creativity. So I'm using fabric paint because it stays on really well. You can use stencils, sponges or even carve your own stamps if you want a more unique look. Oh, a pro tip. If you want your design to have a clean edge, use masking tape. It stops the paint from bleeding everywhere. And tada! I mean, how cute is this? Imagine doing these in bulk with different colors or custom names. So many possibilities. Next up, let's bring out our inner grandma. Just kidding. Embroidery is literally so trendy right now. I'm using this thread and this big needle to make my heart embroidery because this way it will be easier. Red hearts on a pink tote looks so aesthetic. This one is a bit more time consuming but totally worth it because hand embroidery has that premium luxury feel. Plus, you can sell these at higher prices. Like simple floral embroidery on a tote can go for $30 to $50. I love how this turned out. You can keep it minimal or go all out with colors. But trust me, embroidered totes, they sell fast. Before we dive into our next design, heat pressing a quilt on tote bags, let's first create the quilt. For that, I am using design.com, which is perfect for designing custom pieces. I absolutely love it because it makes designing so effortless. You can create unique quilts with a variety of fonts, colors, and styles. For example, I am working on a tote bag quilt that says, "Don't doubt yourself," with each letter in a different color and a fun tilt. It's great for playing around with different looks until you find the perfect one. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro to get professional quality results. Okay, let's turn up the professionalism with a pressed quilt tote. These are so aesthetic and literally what every Pinterest girl wants. Oh, look at that. If you want to make these in bulk or start a brand with clean professional designs, this is the best method. Alright, so where do you sell these? Instagram, Etsy, all good. But if you want full control, Shopify is the way to go. Let me show you how easy it is to set up your own store. Go to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Yes, free. Pick a simple theme that looks clean and professional. Upload high quality photos of your tote bags. Set up pricing, payment options, and shipping. Add your shop link to Instagram and Pinterest. Boom, instant customers. You don't need crazy skills or big investments. Just start simple, and as you grow, you can upgrade your store, add more products, and make it big. Now let's talk branding. A tote bag on its own is cute, but packaging, that's what really makes it feel like you're buying from a real brand. I personally use design.com for creating tags, stickers, and even thank you cards. It's super easy and really elevates your product, giving it a premium touch. See, a simple tag plus a cute sticker is equals to an instantly more expensive looking product. Here are a few basic tips to boost your tote bag business. Personalize designs with names or custom artwork. Use high quality fabric paint and vinyl for durability. Keep embroidery minimal for quick production. Offer bulk orders for businesses or events. Charge for your time. Handmade work deserves it. And there you have it. 3 super cute sellable tote bag designs. All handmade, all ready to make you money. So, if you have been thinking about starting a small business, this is your sign to go for it. Start small, test out different designs, and just have fun with it. Also, tell me in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you try making your own, tag me. I would love to see your creations. And don't forget, if you need branding tools, design.com is your best friend. Alright, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.